Okay, so today I will show you how to make this cute expense tracker using a free printable planner template that you can download from our website. The first thing that you need to do is to download the template from printablesandinspirations.com. Go to this website and go to bullet journal and go to my free printable bullet journal post. Okay. And there you can download this sweet coffee planner or any other planner templates that you would like to use. Okay. So let's click to download this sweet planner template. Just click that link and it will automatically send the template to your computer. Okay, it's done. Next is go to Canva. So I created a free Canva account using my Apple ID just for demo. And so this is a new account. And what I want to do is upload the planner template that I just got from the website. So click upload, choose files or drop files here. Okay, so let's just choose the cute coffee planner template that I just downloaded. So open and wait for it to finish uploading to Canva. So again, this is a free Canva account. You can use this without paying for anything. And there, so let's open this template. Just go here and select open in a new tab. Okay, so that's a cute coffee planner. I want to make a copy of this, so just make a copy so I can still keep the original template as it is, and change the name to expenses tracker or spending tracker. Spending tracker. And here are the pages of the bullet journal template that we just downloaded from the website. So to see all of the pages, you can go to grid view and see all of the pages that you have available to you. So what I'm going to need is the cover page. I'm going to need calendars for November and December, and then also the dot grid pages for my spending tracker. And that's it. I won't be needing the other pages. So since this is a copy, I can just delete the pages that I don't need. So I'll just delete this page, and I'd rather have the dot grid pages than the blank pages. Okay, so these are just the pages that I need. So first, let's go to the cover page. And let's add text, add a heading, and I'm going to write spending tracker. And because I don't like this font, I'm going to change the font to something prettier. These are the free fonts that you can choose from, and if you choose something that has a crown on it, then you will need to have Canva Pro to use that, right? Okay, it's for Canva Pro. But I'm not going to use Canva Pro, so let's just use this pretty font, Brittany. Okay, spending tracker. And let's put that in the middle. Then let's change the color. Okay. And you click here, Canva will show you colors from the photos on the page. So this page has some of these colors, so let's just choose one of them. I'll choose brown, and let's add effects, add a shadow there. Then you can also change the size of this font, and then put it again at the center. Okay, so that's my cover page. Next is the calendar spread. So let's go to grid view. I'm going to need two calendars, one for November and December. But first, let's put a heading. So I'm not going to add the days and the dates. I'm just going to add the name of the month. So copy, and right click, paste. And I'm going to put the title here. Let's write November. And let's make it smaller. There. Okay. So that's my November calendar spread. Let's select this page and another one. So November and this page. You see, I can click only one page each. But if I click command and then click a second page, then you can select two pages and then duplicate them. And then let's change this one to December. Okay. That's all I need. So I just need two calendars, one for November and one for December. Then I'm going to write the days and the dates later using my pen. Okay, next is the dot grid. So I have dot grid spread here and here. And I'm going to use them for my spending trackers. I need to track my spending for groceries, dinners, shopping, and then also coffee. Because sometimes I work at the coffee shop, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 dot grid, 4 spending trackers. So I'm going to use 2 pages for each category. So let's just choose again 2 pages. This is the left side and the right side. And if you want, you can also interchange them like that. Okay. But I don't want to do that, so let's just put it back. Undo. There. Okay. So I need 4 dot grid spreads. We need one for groceries, shopping, dinners, coffee, and let's put 2 more extra spreads. So now I need to print 19 pages. Okay, so I'm going to print this as a booklet. So this is the cover page. The next 2 pages is the first spread, the second spread, and so on. But this also means that November is going to be printed behind the cover page, and I don't want to do that. So let's just add pages here, 2 pages for the first spread to be blank. So let's just have 2 blank pages for the first spread, and then the next spread will be the calendars and so on. Okay, so I have 21 pages to print. The next thing we're going to do is to share and then download. You need to download this as PDF print and flatten the PDF and download. So there it is. Save as spending tracker and save. This is another app that I always use. It's called PDF Expert. I'm just going to open PDF document, select file, and spending tracker. Open. So this will help me see my planner as a booklet. Okay, so if you don't want to download PDF Expert, you can do this with Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so go to View, something new I learned today. Go to Page Display, to Page View, and Show Cover Page. Nice! So that's the cover page, the first spread, November calendar, December calendar, and the dot grid pages. Okay, let's print. So print this file, and then first we need to choose the page setup and change the paper size to A5, no margins, because I'm going to print this as an A6 booklet. But if you want an A5 booklet, then you choose A4, no margins. Okay, so A4. So let me show you. These are the custom sizes on my printer. So I always set the margins to 0. And so A4, no margins, has a width of, let's say, A4 size paper without margins. Okay, so width and the height, and then this is the A5 size paper without margins. That's the width and the height, and again margins are 0. So that's what I'm gonna use. A5, no margins, portrait scaling 100. Okay, and then click booklet, and for my printer, I print the front side only first. Then I flip the pages over, and then next I'm going to print the back side. So here you'll see it says page 1 of 6. So it means that you will need 6 sheets of A5 size paper. Again, if you want a bigger booklet, just print this on A4 size paper instead of A5. Okay, so that's the end of this screen recording. I'm just going to my printer to print this and then show you the finished product. I'll show you my spending tracker. Okay, so these are the pages that I printed, and this is the cover page of the spending tracker. I printed it on 180 GSM board paper that is for calling cards. So the rest of the pages are 80 GSM white paper. So before you bind them together, you need to check the pages first. So I wanted this to be blank, the first spread to be blank. This is my November calendar, December calendar, and then the dot grid spreads for my spending tracker. I'm going to make another spending tracker for 2025. So if you want that, then please subscribe to this channel for the latest updates. Okay, so let's turn this into a planner booklet. I need my clips. I'm just going to use this for 2 months. And I'm making this into an A6 booklet because I want to carry it around with me. You can also print this on A4 size paper, so you can make it into an A5 booklet or put rings on it and so on. So you have a lot of options. To mark the center. Okay, there. I'm using this. Make sure that it's ouch. Okay. And then they say don't fold the pages one by one. You need to fold them together. Someone say that. So trying it out. There. This is my latest experiment. I used only one staple because I'm really having a hard time aligning two staple wires together, and I think it's also enough for an A6 size booklet. And maybe in the future I will remove this and bind all my booklets into one A6 book. Okay, there you have spending tracker. Bye!